This is SmarTrend News. I'm Christy Duffy. Today is Wednesday, January 19th. This is your closing bell market update. The major U.S. equity indices closed lower today following a disappointing quarterly report from Goldman Sachs and a disappointing outlook from American Express. F5 Networks announced first quarter EPS of 88 cents after the closing bell, which came in ahead of consensus of 83 cents per share. Revenues for the quarter surged by over 40% year over year to $268.9 million, missing consensus estimates of $270.3 million. Goldman Sachs reported fourth quarter diluted EPS of $3.79 ahead of consensus of $3.76 per share. Revenues for the quarter fell 10% year over year to $8.64 billion, missing consensus of $9 billion. American Express announced this morning it was going to consolidate facilities and close an office in Greensboro, North Carolina. Amex said it would take a 6-cent charge, largely due to the severance associated with the closure of the facility, which will result in 550 job cuts. Checking in on where the major U.S. indices closed today, the Dow Jones Industrial Average closing 0.1% lower at 11,825 points. The S&P 500 closing 1% lower, 1,282, and the NASDAQ Composite closing about 1.5% lower, 2,725 points. For further updates, stay tuned. You're watching SmarTrend News. I'm Christy Duffy.